Good morning, students. Today we will move for our exercise 2E. Before that, multiplication of decimals. Now, multiplication of decimal by 10, 100 or 1000. I am taking some examples. When you multiply any decimal number like 10, 100 and 1000, what we will do, we shift our decimal towards right side. How many digits? That much which that number is having. The meaning of this is like 10 में कितने zeros हैं? Only 1. So we will shift our decimal 1 digit to the right side. Like 8.53 multiplied by 10. So we shift the digit to the right side and it will become 85.3. Similarly, 0.755 into 100. Here we will shift our decimal 2 digits to the right side because 100 is having 2 zeros, right? So it becomes 75.5. Next is 18.1934 into 1000. We will shift our digit 3 digits to the right side and it will become 18193.4. Decimal कितने digit right side में shift हो गया? 3 digits because there are 3 zeros in 1000. Now next is multiplication by a whole number. Multiplication of any decimal by a whole number. Like 0.25 by 13. When you are multiplying any decimal number with any whole number, तो आप क्या करोगे, जो डिजिट्स हैं उनको आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे. लाइक इट इज़ होली इट इज़, अगर हम डेसिमल को ना कंसिडर करें, ना देखें, तो ये नंबर क्या है? 25. एंड वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 25 बाय 13. 25 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 13. 3 5 जा 15, 1 कैरी, 3 2 जा 6 एंड 1 7, 1 5 जा 5, 1 2 जा 2. So 5, it is 325. Now go to the decimal number. How many digits after decimal here? There are 2 digits after the decimal. तो ये जो 2 digits हैं उससे पहले decimal है, तो यही काम हम अपने आंसर में भी करेंगे. 2 digits, count 2 digits from the right side, 5, then second digit is 2 and put the decimal. So it will become 3.25. Right? Now next is multiplication of decimal by another decimal. Now here 2.35 by 7.2. Decimal consider नहीं करेंगे तो this number is like 235 and 7.2 is like 72. Multiply these two numbers. 2 5 जा 10, 1 carry, 2 3 जा 6, 1 7, 2 2 जा 4. 7 5 जा 35, 3 carry, 7 3 जा 21, 3 24, 7 2 जा 14 and 2 is 16. So 0, 7 5 12, 4 4 8 1 9, 6 1. Now count the number of digits after decimal. 2 here and 1 here. There are total 3 digits after decimal. 1 2 and 3. So count 3 digits from the right side. 1 2 3 and put the decimal. So the answer is 16.920 or 16.92. क्योंकि अगर लास्ट में ज़ीरो है तो उसको आप हटा भी सकते हैं, उससे कोई वैल्यू में चेंज नहीं आता है. दिस इज़ द आंसर. Exercise 2E. Now we will solve some exercise questions. Question number 1. Find the product. So first part of this question is 0.75 into 10. So there is 1 0 in 10. Then we shift our decimal to the right side only 1 digit and it will become 7.5. Now the fifth part, that is 0.32 into 100. There are 2 digits. We'll shift our decimal 2 digit to to the right side. So it will become 32 point. अभी यहाँ कोई नंबर नहीं बचा है, तो we can write it at 0, or the final answer is 32 only, right? Because 32.0 is equivalent to 32. Now 0.0054 into 1000 will shift our decimal 3 digit to the right side. 1 2 3, then it will become 5.4. क्योंकि इसके आगे हम अगर ऐसे 00 लिखते हैं उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. 5 कोई भी डिजिट से पहले जो 0 होता है उससे कोई वैल्यू नहीं बनती है. इट विल बिकम जस्ट 5.4. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. फर्स्ट पार्ट 2.07 into 2.0, multiplication of two decimals. The number is 207 and 207. We will put the decimal in the answer only. 7 7 जा 49, 4 carry, 4 आ गया, 7 2 जा 14. Now 0 0 0, 7 2 जा 14, 2 2 जा 4, 9 4 8 2 4. There are 4 digits after decimal, 1 2 3 and 4. So count from the right side, 1 2 3 4 and put the decimal. So the final answer is 4.2849. Now the fifth part, that is 0.101 into 9. So just multiply 101 by 9. 9 1 9, 9 0 0, 9 1 9. And here 3 decimals, 3 digits after decimal. So count 3 digits, 1 2 3 and put the decimal. So the final answer is 0.909. Now there is a word problem. Question number 3. A scientist researched and found that due to mechanism of continental drift, a land mass moves at an average rate of 8.62 centimeter per year. How many meters can it be expected to move in 553 years? What the question is saying? कोई एक लैंड मास है, कोई एक ज़मीन का टुकड़ा है, और बिकॉज ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंटल ड्रिफ्ट, यानी वो जो चट्टानें आपस में मूव कर जाती हैं, ज़मीन के नीचे हिलती हैं, उसकी वजह से क्या हो रहा है, एक लैंड मास मूव कर रहा है, हर साल खिसकता जा रहा है. और कितना खिसक रहा है? 8.62 सेंटीमीटर पर ईयर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड कि वो कितना डिस्प्लेस हो जाएगा, कितना शिफ्ट हो जाएगा इन 553 ईयर्स. Rate of moving land mass in a year is 8.62 centimeter. Then in 553 years the land mass will move 8.62 into 553, right? Now we multiply 862 into 553 and you will get the answer 476686. And our question is saying 8.62. There are 2 digits after decimal. Put the decimal digit before 2 digits and it will become 4766.86 centimeter, or you can convert it into meter and divide it by 100. 4766.86 divided by 100. and your डिवीजन से क्या होगा? मल्टीप्लिकेशन से तो आपका डेसिमल राइट साइड में शिफ्ट होता है, डिवीजन से वही डेसिमल लेफ्ट साइड में शिफ्ट होता है. तो इट विल शिफ्टेड 2 डिजिट बिफोर टू द लेफ्ट साइड. 47.6686 meters. Now our next question, question number 5. During a Shramdan activity in the school, the student of class 7 filled 15 bottles of 1.5 liter of water and distributed it to the nearby slum where they have shortage of water. What quantity in total is distributed? Capacity of one bottle is equal to 1.5 liter. Total bottles to be filled is 15. Then total quantity of water is distributed is 15 into 1.5. So we have to multiply 15 by 15 and the answer is 225. And there is one digit after decimal, so put one digit before, put the decimal before one digit. So the total quantity of water is distributed, that is 22.5 liters. Hence 22.5 liters water distributed. That's all for today, students. I am sending you the pic of this exercise 2E and you have to do all the ticked questions.